In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable crossplay on Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So crossplay basically allows you to play the Black Ops 6 with different players from different platforms. So for instance, if you're on console, you can play with people on PC, or if you're on PC, you can play with people on console and any other platforms that might be there. So to enable and disable this feature, launch the game, and then on your controller, press the options button to access the settings. Then use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the settings. Then scroll down and find account and network. So select that. And then the first option should be crossplay. So as you can see, by default is set to on. So if you want to disable it, simply press on X and that will turn off crossplay. So if you want to enable it, simply select X and that will enable it. So that's basically it on how to enable and disable crossplay on Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.